right down to the youth in the grass.
Rawere maromo 20,000 moko omedi chenro mar keto ler e aluora ahinya to e dho aoche e kaunti ma Nairobi e chenro mong'ere kaka ClimateWorxs mabende timore e gwenge ma opogore pachoka. Rawere gi norwake chenro ni mar tich kabende giyudo tiegruok e wi chenro mag sirikal kaka okumba thieth mar SHA, udi manengo gi oyueyo e kind mamoko. Jokanyo wacho ni mae itimo mar jiwo thuolo mag tije ne rawere ma pachoka kaka yorno mar dino fuok maduong' mar onge mar tije ne rawere.
Today we were gathered here to launch the second phase of the ClimateWorxs program. As you are aware, the nationwide program has been going on. Here in Nairobi, we have been having about 22,000 youths who have been working along the riparian. And last week, the president directed that we add another 20,000. The recruitment has been done, and that is what we were launching today. So today was basically an induction. From what we saw today, it is obvious that the youth need more jobs. As you can see, they came in large numbers. We had about 30,000, and you could see that there are no jobs in Kenya. But as the government tries to do that, I think there is a requirement to think on how to add more jobs for them.
Josiasa motenore koda jalup jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua kaachiel gi moko kuom rowere mane omaki e kinde ng'anyo mar dwe mar 6 kod dwe mar 7 higani odonjnegi e doho kod